You searched how to buy shares of Oppenheimer Holdings Inc., a U.S. financial services firm active in investment banking and wealth management. Oppenheimer trades on NASDAQ under the ticker OPY, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker OPY to find the listing quickly. Select the result that shows Oppenheimer Holdings Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you can read a short company description and view the price chart to confirm the instrument. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and the OPY ticker to make sure it is the right asset. Tap the Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order will be queued to execute when trading reopens, and the platform will request additional funds if your balance is insufficient. Once confirmed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it from there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the exact steps shown.